Alright, today I'm going to make a blanket ladder for Jess. I'm going to knock this off the honey-do list. This chunk of wood is left over from the coat tree I built. If you didn't see that, check it out. Turned out really nice. So anyway, first step is ripping this into pieces that I can use for the side rails, and hopefully I'll have enough off the end then to use for the slats for the ladder rungs. But it should be a pretty quick, simple project, so let's get to it. So we got the two side rails cut, and then and some pieces cut out for the rungs. They're rough dimension. We'll finish sizing them up in the planer. So Jess and I are gonna team up on this. I'm gonna run a chamfer on it to match the coat rack and a jewelry cabinet that I had previously built for Jess in the house. So I'm gonna run this chamfer on everything, and then she's gonna sand it, and then we're gonna put it together and then finish it with a wipe on poly again, just so that it all has the same color and appearance, and it should all look really nice together. So we're gonna make the rungs 16 inches wide, framing square. This leg of a framing square is 16 inches. So I just prop it up in here, lock the miter box down, put it against the tooth, square my stop block up, and clamp it to my table here, just to make repeatable cuts. Someday I'm gonna put a T-track in and all that, but right now I'm getting by with, the clamp. So. Now we got to figure out the angle. We're just gonna eyeball it. This is about the slope we want. We're not gonna get too fancy with the math here. So to find the foot, be as simple as just trace using a block to get up past this point and tracing that line. Can you give me a clamp? Sliding on me, which will obviously change the angle. Now I can use a level this way to plumb it, because this table's level. If your table's not level, then you wouldn't be able to do it that way. But got one of the new shop stools. Now we got our angles. You could probably do it against a wall or something, but I was trying to get it somewhere where I could get a video of it, so be safe. Alright, so we got all our pieces cut out, and now it's time to lay out the rungs and fasten them. I have some old square nails I think I'm going to use and drive them through if they're long enough. I got to dig them out and see. If not, I think we're just going to brad nail it. I'm not going to get into any fancy joinery for this, and but you could if you felt like it. So probably put the legs on an angle to match the angle, like so that they would be like flat rungs there. So we'll lay it out and then start putting it together. So I found the square-headed nails, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and use them. I think they'll definitely look cool, but I'm hoping they hold okay. So I'm gonna pre-drill the hole in the side rails and then drive these into it. I think it'll be okay. Show you these square nails. I think they look pretty cool. So that's how we made this blanket ladder. There's a lot of ways you could probably accomplish it. Like you could drill like half-inch holes and screw it and then plug the holes. You could mortise and tenon it. You could just screw it, nail it like I did, Brad nail it. Tons of different ways. It's a pretty simple project. You don't really need any crazy tools. You could get 1x4s at Home Depot already, you know, planed to size, and go ahead and really all you needed was a circular saw. If that's all you had, you could get it done. But so I hope you enjoyed what we made today, and if you have any other suggestions on something you want to see built, let me know.